Hi, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Now today what I'm going to do is I am going to stay in practice and make a flint and steel fire. Now here in North Carolina where I live, they have a weather advisory, and late tonight it's supposed to start freezing rain. It's going to get nasty, and tomorrow it's going to be really nasty, and I think maybe for a couple of days. So I thought I'd come out and build a little fire just for fun. I can't hardly go more than a day or two without doing some kind of a fire. I love this so much. Today I'm going to do a flint and steel, and for my steel I'm going to use the one that was built for me by my good friend Eddie at Backyard Custom Knives. That's Backyard Custom Knives. If you're not familiar with him, go check him out. He's got an awesome channel. He's an awesome guy. So anyhow, I'm going to use this. Use a piece of flint. And this, of course, is some shredded paper that I keep on hand. And I have some char cloth here that hopefully is still good. I'm getting ready to find out whether it's still good or not. So, for those of you who are not familiar with flint and steel, if this is your first time seeing a flint and steel video, I'm going to get up close here and show you what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm using this steel piece of char cloth, and if you want to check back through my videos, you'll see how to make this stuff. It's just cotton material. A piece of flint, you find a sharp edge and you come down and strike like that, and if you do it with just a little bit of force, you'll see sparks. Now the trick is getting a real sharp edge. So if you can find a good sharp edge, you'll start seeing those sparks going every which way like they were there. I hope I had you in frame when I did that. So you lay the char cloth on there and you get it real close to the edge. Now some folks like to break it in half and expose these little fibers here and then put it together, and then you put it on your flint like that, and like I said, the trick is finding a sharp edge, and I'm not getting any sparks right there, so I'm going to move it over here. Now I'm getting sparks. Getting good sparks right there. And I also have ignition in a couple different places. So put it down inside my bundle and then blow it. I think my paper's damp. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Everything don't always work as planned. So I'm gonna give it another shot. I think my paper, which I keep this paper in my basement, and it's damp in my basement, so I have a feeling that's probably what the problem is damp paper. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. That should set my shirt on fire. Plenty of sparks coming. They're just not landing where they should. Move it around a little bit, try it over here. There we go, got one right there. Now I'm gonna put it in here. See if this one. Also got wind coming from this direction, and the wind itself might blow it into flames. And we have fire. Worked that time. Things don't always work as you plan, but we don't give up. So, a successful flint and steel fire, and warming the hands because it's kind of cold out here. So anyhow, thank you so much for joining me on my little fire making adventure. Well, that feels good on my hands, no kidding. Anyhow, I'll see you on the next one. Till then, don't forget, tell somebody you love them, because they may not be here tomorrow, folks, and I'm dead serious about that. Think about it. Tell people you love them while you can. God bless you. See you next time.